Hey YouTube, we are back with another vacation video. This is a room tour. We're here at Dreams Cap Cana. We've been for a few days now. I'm gonna go inside and give y'all a little room tour so y'all can see what it's like. Got the car, keys. Yeah, if you can see, I don't know, the screen a little blurry, okay. A little foggy out here. Card key entry. And we are inside. Like I said, we've been here already a few days, so everything's already set up. All right, so when you walk in, you have a closet here. Nice size closet. We here with our son. If you watch our page, you know. So we got to get the crib. You can request this, and they will have it ready for you when you get here. But this is a closet, nice size space. As you can see, it's pretty big. Safe over here. Extra storage if you need to put any clothes or anything in here. You got a lot of drawer space, ironing board, all of that. Continue on, and you're at the bathroom. Double sinks, which is nice. I always like the double sinks. They have a nice tub here, which obviously we've been using to give our kid a bath. We have a little travel tub we came here with, but you do have a nice garden tub right here. One thing that's weird though, they don't have a lot of places for you to hang your swim clothes. So actually there's nowhere in here to really hang your swim clothes. So you have to kind of just improvise. Shower is very nice. Nice size shower. Rainfall, also a weird thing about here. There's no place to really put your soap or any of that. So again, I guess you just sit it on the ground in this case because they don't have room for you to put anything. Kind of a weird design, but still a very nice shower. Bathroom over here. Door pushes in. Toilet separated by a door. Always a good thing when you're here with a family. Right in. That's pretty much the bathroom area. Got the mirrors for the ladies. You need that for your makeup. Nice size mirror here with lights. Some shelves over here, I guess for you to put, you actually can put towels, I guess, and soap and stuff right here, but you know, when you're in the shower, you kind of need it handy. Nice full size mirror here, some decor on the walls, a little seating table. And then here you have the king size bed. This room does come with a fan, so definitely a plus because it gets very hot in here. Nice touchscreen thermostat where you can control everything. You even have motion lights on here. So at nighttime, you can have the motion lights go off, kind of in the bathroom area. Huge full size TV here, nice big screen TV. Has a pretty good assortment of channels. A lot of HBO and all those movie channels. Obviously more storage here, your dresser for you to put your clothes and everything. You have the area over here which we're using for with our bottle warmer. But the coffee maker is up here. It does come with a coffee maker and all your coffee needs and accessories. And that's where it normally sits. It's right where we have our bottles. Full size mini fridge here. Of course they come and refill this stuff daily if you're drinking it up. Beers, Coke, all of that. Again, we have our bottles in there, so we've packed out most of the space with bottles. Seating areas over here where all our suitcases and stuff are. Seating area again. Y'all a full size kind of view of this. It's a lot of lighting in here as well. I always like the backlights on the bed. And then we pull this back. We do have a preferred club swim out. So we do have a pool out here. As you can see, we already got breakfast going. Nice seating areas out here. Use this handle to kind of lock and unlock the door here. Hey, man. Hey. And this is the seating areas up here. Yeah. Nice lounging area if you want to sit back and relax. And then this swim out pool. It's not like split off, so you're kind of sharing with all of your neighbors here, but still a nice swim out pool. We have been at some that were blocked off. And then you have the view here. It's early in the morning, so camera getting a little foggy, but yeah. All right, guys, that concludes this room tour. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And to watch the rest of our vacation videos, we have a lot on the page. Just go on the playlist. Peace.